Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making a ground chicken casserole called Golden Chicken Casserole, where I learned this recipe while working on a farm in Ames, Iowa. This recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Remember, join our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans, and of course, as you know, we do have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, available on Amazon and as an ebook.
Please smooshy that like button, hit that notification bell so you know when a new video comes out every time, and become a subscriber if you haven't already. Another great reason to become a subscriber is to be eligible for our giveaways. And in this video, Edie is going to give away a yellow silicone liner. You'll see that we use these all the time. We use them for breads, cakes, anything that we don't want to stick. So we're going to give one of these away in this video. Look at the description below for specific details, but I'm going to throw it right back to Edie.
Comment on this video, pigtails, just one word, pigtails, to be eligible to win this beautiful yellow color silicone mold.
Are you ready to cook?
I am ready to cook. I'm ready to make this golden chicken casserole. Pigtails! Now for this recipe, I'm using ground chicken. Feel free to use ground turkey if you prefer it. There are no rules. It's whatever you like, whatever you have handy in your fridge. So that's 1 pound of ground chicken. I'm going to add another pound of ground chicken.
If they don't use chicken, do they have to change the name of the dish in their head?
In their head, yes. Instead of golden chicken casserole, golden turkey casserole. Here's a trick. If you get a eggshell in the bowl, use the actual eggshell to remove it. Now I'm using a sweet potato, a regular potato, a Idaho or a rustic will work just fine. Just happened that I had a sweet potato in the kitchen. Now I'm grating this sweet potato. You're more than welcome to finely chop it. Just my preference to grate it for this casserole. So I'm adding the grated sweet potato into the ground chicken bowl, and then some chopped up mushrooms. Now feel free to use any kind of vegetables that you like. Just happened to have this in the fridge, didn't want it to go bad. Also add some chopped spinach. You could use peppers, carrots, honestly anything that you have in the fridge. Now I'm using gluten-free breadcrumbs. If you're not gluten-free, don't use it. Use regular breadcrumbs. And this is another moment of measure with your heart. But I must say probably about half a cup I added. But as I mix it, I'll see if I need more. This recipe will probably make 2 casseroles. You'll have leftovers, or put it in a little muffin tin. You'll have a little quick lunch. Or half the recipe, exactly. Now you could sprinkle some cheese on top. I just prefer to make it a non-dairy dish, but why not sprinkle some cheese?
About some like bagel seeds or something, or sesame seeds?
I don't think so. I don't think that will work.
Okay. That's why I don't write the recipes.
Listen, you can make you could add anything you want to a recipe, personal preference.